Hi everyone, we have prepared latest market updates for January 18th, 2023. Apple postpones the launch of AR glasses. Apple Inc. has indefinitely postponed the launch of its lightweight augmented reality glasses due to technical issues, but still plans to unveil its first mixed reality headset this year, as reported on Tuesday. The iPhone maker plans to unveil a mixed reality headset that combines augmented and virtual reality at this year's Spring event, Bloomberg reports, adding that the device will cost about $3,000. Apple's mixed reality device will compete with Meta Platform's Quest Pro virtual and mixed reality headset, which was introduced late last year at $1,500, half of the reported price of Apple's device. According to the report, the Cupertino, California-based company now plans to focus on lowering the price of the next version of its mixed reality device, expected in 2024 or early 2025, instead of working on AR glasses. Apple will aim to do this by using chips on par with those in the iPhone, rather than components used in higher-end Macs. Cryptocurrency hedge funds end 2022 down. Cryptocurrency hedge funds tracked by index provider Barclays Hedge ended 2022 with a fall of almost 50%, the research firm said on Tuesday, a sign that the FTX's collapse continues to ripple through the industry. FTX filed for a Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection in the U.S. in November after its spectacular collapse sent shivers through the industry. The index of 47 hedge funds, whose names Barclays Hedge did not disclose, posed a loss of more than 47% for the year, the data said. Ben Crawford, head of research at Barclays Hedge, said that since the collapse of FTX, the conversation about cryptocurrency trading has become polarized and true believers in cryptos have increased their evangelism to 11. On the other hand, more skeptical voices have begun to openly question whether crypto winter is not a season at all, but a state more akin to nuclear winter, said Crawford. However, the 2022 result was not the worst performance of the index in 5 years. The cryptocurrency traders index ended 2018 with a fall of more than 60%, but the index's 5-year average performance, if an investor could hold on, would be more than 46%, according to Barclays Hedge. Oil prices rise on optimism about China's economy. Oil prices extended early gains and rose around 1% on Wednesday on optimism that the lifting of China's strict COVID-19 restrictions will lead to a rebound in fuel demand in the world's top oil importer. Brent crude futures rose 0.88% to $86.68 a barrel after gaining 1.7% in the previous session. West Texas Intermediate U.S. crude futures rose 1.06% to $89.03, up 0.4% on Tuesday. Both oil futures rose to new highs of 2023 around midday in Asia. China's economic growth slowed sharply to 3% in 2022, missing the official target of around 5.5%, and posting the second worst result since 1976. But the data still beat analyst forecasts after China began winding down its zero GDP policy in early December. Analysts believe growth will recover to 4.9% in 2023. The Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries said in a monthly report that oil demand in China will rise by 510,000 barrels a day this year after falling in 2022 for the first time in several years due to COVID containment measures.